few other properties of parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. So while proving this using distance formula, few things you have to keep in mind. For example, parallelogram. So parallelogram means it is a quadrilateral. All these four figures, they are quadrilateral, containing four sides and four angles. And here in parallelogram we got four sides. The opposite sides, they are equal to each other. AB and CD and AD and BC, they are equal to each other, but their diagonals, this AC and BD, they are the diagonals, their diagonals are not equal. So in order to prove any points given, in order to prove that it is a parallelogram, you have to find 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides. Now for rectangle, here also it is very much similar to your parallelogram. The difference between rectangle and parallelogram is, in rectangle you got each angle, included angle is 90 degree, but here it is other than 90 degree. In square also each angle, included angle is 90 degree, but rhombus is other than 90 degree. So in rectangle and parallelogram you find more or less same, opposite sides they are equal to each other. So by finding only four sides, you cannot decide whether it is parallelogram or rectangle. So you have to find their diagonals also. So in rectangle their diagonals will be also equal. So you may not find the same length here. This particular diagonal may be of different length, but whatever the length you get here, you get the same length here also in case of BD. Now let us look at this square. So square also, in square, as you know, their all sides are same. So AB, BC, CD and AD, they are all equal to each other, as well as their diagonals, they are also equal. You may not get the same length as you got in case of AB, BC. You may get a different length here, but whatever the length you get here, BD also will be of same length. And for rhombus, again it is very much similar to square. All sides are equal, but their diagonals AC and BD, they will not be equal to each other. Now based on this, let us solve some questions. Now look at this question number 12. A, prove that the point minus 2 comma minus 1 1 comma 0 4 comma 3 and 1 comma 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now here the four vertices are given. Now here we need to find six lengths: AB, BC, CD, then AD, then AC and BD. The two diagonals also, you should not forget that. So now let's solve this question. Now look at its solution. So the given points are A, B, C, D as minus 2, minus 1, 1 comma 0, 4 comma 3 and 1 comma 2. Now here the lengths that we are supposed to calculate is your AB, BC, CD, AD and AC and BD. Now let us find one by one. AB is, take the coordinate of AB, then x2 minus x1, minus of minus 2 plus, then here y2 is 0 and minus of minus 1 is plus, so 2 plus 1 3, so you get 9 plus 3 square is 9, so square of 1 is 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. Similarly you do for BC also. BC you get as root over 18. Root over 18 means find the factor of root over 18. If you get big number, find the factors. So 2 into 3 into 3, so this is pair term, so this will come out as 3 root 2. Then similarly CD will again come as root 10. Then again AD, again you get root over 18, so that will be 3 root over 2. Then AC, again replace the values. Then AC is your diagonal, so 52 means 2 into 2 into 13, so this pair term will come out as 2 and root over 13. Then BD, so coordinate of B and D, so x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1 is also 1 and y2 is 2 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 square is 4, so 0 plus 4 is 4, square root over 4 means 2. Now here we can see the length AB is root 10 and CD is also root 10. AB and CD, opposite lengths, they are equal to root 10. Then your BC is 3 root 2 and AD is also 3 root 2. BC is 3 root 2, AD is also 3 root 2. BC and AD, they are 3 root 2. So opposite sides we are getting equal. So this we find even in rectangle. In rectangle also we find the same. But here, now in order to prove this parallelogram, now we need to show their diagonals will not be equal, AC and BD. So if you check AC is coming as 2 root over 13 and BD is coming as 2. Therefore their diagonals are not equal. Hence the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. So in the same process you can solve the other questions also.